Hello again, Dragon Tales Enthusiasts Anonymous. Today I will be talking about the second part of the Downhill Racer PBL assignment, which included making the car stop at 3 meters. So obviously in order for this to be done, we had to implement a braking system into our car, which involved a string being tied to the back axle of our car, wound around it, and then tied to the front axle. This string would unwind from the back axle, then wind around the front axle whenever it was driving, and we had to measure the length of the string so that it would be the right distance, which would allow enough revolutions of our wheel in order to let the car go 3 meters. So while the car was traveling down the ramp and then down across the floor, whenever the string finished unwinding around the back axle and then wound all the way around the front, it would stop right before 3 meters, allowing it to slide just past and hopefully onto the 3 meter mark. So the main challenges that involved implementing this braking system were initially doing math so that we could figure out how long the string needed to be in order to allow enough revolutions to go 3 meters and then stop at there. But that plan didn't work out at first, so eventually group member Henry was able to remember a knot he knew, which would allow us to adjust the string as needed without untying it from the axle, so we were able to figure out how long the string needed to be by trial and error. And then another difficulty would be the string continued to get caught along the wheels, axles, and the body of the car. So we made some modifications, including making the inside of the car roomier and applying some spacers to the axles, which would keep the string in place and not let it get caught in the wheels. And in the end, these alterations combined with trial and error, allowing us to get the proper string length, allowed the car to go just over the 3 meter mark, earning us 45 points on the racing part. Excellent work.